If you're an educator of any kind and wish to use CoSpaces with your students, you're going to want to create a teacher account. Getting started is the same process as with student accounts. You're first going to want to open your browser and type in the URL edu.cospaces.io. That will bring you here to the gallery page. As mentioned in the student account creation video, the gallery page is a public gallery with a variety of CoSpaces created by the CoSpaces team and other users on the site who have chosen to make their CoSpaces publicly available. On this page, you can get inspiration for future assignments for your students, and in some cases even remix some of these, which we'll explore in a future video. On this gallery page, you'll go ahead and click on the orange Login button in the upper right corner, and then scroll down if you need to the link that says Don't have an account yet. After clicking on that, we are asked whether we would like to make an account as a student or a teacher, and here of course we're going to click on Teacher. Here's where the process begins to differ from that of creating a student account. To create an account as a teacher, you must certify that you are at least 18 years old and you must accept the CoSpaces terms of use. Provided that you are of age, go ahead and click the I'm 18 or older button. And on this page, take some time to review the CoSpaces terms of use. These terms are important to be familiar with as they outline things like who may have a particular kind of account, the ways in which certain features can be used, and the expectations for you as a teacher on CoSpaces EDU. After agreeing to the terms of service, you are directed to the account creation page. If you have a school email address with one of CoSpace's sign-in partners, you may wish to click the button to use that. Otherwise, you can go ahead and enter a name, username, email address, and password to use on the site. Once you've submitted your account information, you'll be taken to this page, which asks if you would like to sign up for the CoSpaces newsletter. Even if you don't check this box, they do mention that they may still have to email you in some required cases, so you might still get the occasional email, but it's up to you whether you'd like the newsletter or not. And then you click through and it alerts you that there is a CoSpaces app that you may wish to use. This app is really useful for virtual reality and augmented reality purposes, but you can click out of that and then you are taken to the CoSpaces homepage. After you've created your account, you will receive a confirmation email at the email address provided. So you will need to sign into your email and click that link to continue. But once you've done that, you're good to go. And now that you've created your account, you're ready to set up your CoSpaces classroom, which we'll cover in another video.